Can the rebuilt earthly Jerusalem fulfill the prophecy of the 70 weeks? Rebuilding Jerusalem requires 70 weeks. 70 weeks are decreed about your people and your holy city. After it has finished the rebuilding, it shall finish the transgression, to put an end to sin, and to atone for iniquity, to bring in everlasting righteousness, to seal both vision and prophet, and to anoint a most holy place. Surely, the earthly Jerusalem couldn't achieve the above goals, such as finishing the transgression, putting an end to sin, bringing everlasting righteousness, and anointing the holy place. But the new Jerusalem that comes down from heaven can accomplish these goals. Therefore, the 70 weeks seem to refer to rebuilding the real Jerusalem, the real holy city, the New Jerusalem.